What's up? It's your boy Trillaatroy and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, what's up? My name is Trillaatroy and welcome. While you're already on this video, why don't you give this video a big fat like, comment down below, and subscribe because it really helps out the channel a lot. And click that bell button so you can get a notification every time I post. And as you read by today's title, I'm going to be talking about all things obsessive planning. So go ahead and cue the thing. Alright, so I'm basically just going to be giving you a few tips in this video on how to stay organized and plan for the semester. So the first thing I want to say is creating a document if you are going to school virtually. Maybe you have classes that meet on different platforms. Just compiling all of those links into one sole document or either a note on your phone or something like that. So it's easily to just go to that document and click whether it be a Microsoft Teams link, a Zoom's link, a Blackboard Collaborate link, or any other operation that your school or that your teacher is using into one place. So you don't have to keep scrolling through emails to find it, click this email, or something like that. That just makes it super confusing sometimes. So when you have everything in one place, it makes it much easier to navigate. Also, I am going to show you really quick how to create like a day-to-day planner type schedule for yourself with classes and everything, just so you can visually see your day and you can know like what you have to do and what days and what time you have available. Because for me, I am a visual learner and I am a visual person, so this helps me out a lot. So let's go ahead and head over to my computer so I can show you guys how I do my Excel things. Let's do it. So I'm just gonna start out by adding in the days of the week, and I do want to preference by saying this is not my actual schedule. This is an example, but I will include an actual picture of my schedule probably at the end of this clip. So I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, I'm going ahead and adding in my class schedule, so what days I have classes and what time I have them, because obviously I am a student first, so that is basically what takes up most of the time during the week. And then I go in and add all of the extra things all the way around. And as you can see, I have one course that is not like a virtual class, it's just completely online, so we don't meet for that class. So I added that kind of study break in for that class, and a workout sesh and a club sesh, and now I'm just adding all the extra stuff. So since this was just an example, I wasn't really sure what to name the classes, so as you can see, I just put random things in those spots, but this is pretty much what my average schedule would look like, and here is a picture of my normal one. So I hope from watching that little mini tutorial on how I set up kind of my day-to-day schedule, it may seem like a little much or a bit extra for some of you watching, but for some people you'd be like, oh, this will help me, this is a saving grace. So, do whatever works for you. But I also have my planner in my hand right now. And I just wanted to say sometimes it's very important to write things down so you don't forget, or you can write them down because it helps you in planning and writing out whether it's a goal or an accomplishment that you want to achieve, or whether it's just something as small as registering for another class. So I have two things written down that I need to get done this week. That is register for another class before the ad drop period. So that's something I wrote down. I know like I'm going to see it every single day. So every single day, obviously I want to do it as soon as possible. So that's why I have it written down today. Hopefully I can get that done today. But if not, it's going to still be there so I can see it tomorrow and be like, yep, I need to get this done. I need to follow up. I need to contact this person to make sure that it happens, which is also, I feel like, a part of planning. But also, as I said, something I have going to tech services. So my school gives us laptops besides my personal laptop, and my school laptop, the screen is actually cracked. So that's kind of like an errand I need to run. I need to contact tech services to see how I can get my computer fixed. So those are little things that sometimes if you don't write them down, you can forget, and you just keep saying, like, putting it off, like, oh my God, I need to do this, but I forgot to do it today, so I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but then you don't remember and you keep forgetting, and it's just like, write it down so you can go ahead and get it done, and you can be like, boom, boom, boom. Everything in my checklist I got done today, and I feel like that is something that really helps out a lot. Also, this could be dreams or aspirations that you have that, as you can say, you set yourself a 6-month goal, or you set yourself a year goal, and you say in 6 months I want to accomplish this. So you write it down now, and every single day or every single week You write down what steps do I have to do to continue achieving this goal or getting one step closer to what I want in 6 months. That is one way to plan and help you successfully schedule and stay on track with one of your goals or many goals that you are working on at the same time. Also, with having your planner, it's important so you can write down your class schedule in your planner besides the little day-to-day tracker that I showed you that I use personally. You can also write down your assignments, so that is what I use my planner for when I write down assignments. And you can also make SMART goals. Before I get into SMART goals, I want to say right now is a period where I'm currently using like 3 different planners. If you count like an online calendar, even though I don't like online calendar, it's easy for me to keep all of my class links in an online calendar. So I just go to the calendar, click the link on the day that I have a class or the time that I have the class, and it helps me organize my class links that way. But I also have my physical calendar, which I also write things in. And then I have my little to-do list that I may write on a sticky note or have a to-do list on my computer that I just write, and then as I get things done, I just go ahead and delete it off of the list to know that, on to the next thing. So, SMART goals, let's get into them. I'm pretty sure you have probably heard of them from elementary school, middle school, high school, throughout life, going to webinars, seminars, I don't know. SMART goals are all over the place, but I feel like we always hear it, but we don't actually do anything as practicing a SMART goal. So, let me tell you what SMART goals are. SMART goals are SMART, which is an acronym which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely, or time. So a SMART goal for me, let's see, this is completely not planned. A SMART goal for me, recording this video. This is a SMART goal of mine, an example that I'm giving you. It is specific because it's stating exactly what I want to do or what I need to do. Shoot a YouTube video. It is measurable because I can evaluate it once I'm done, watch it, see if I like this, like that, and re-record if I don't like it. It is achievable because it's possible to accomplish, it's obtainable. It's relevant because it makes sense that I make YouTube videos, so why wouldn't I film for a video? And it's timely or time bound because I state when I want to get it done and when it will be done and how long it will take. So that is a quick example of what a SMART goal is. But also in doing this, you also get to determine what you need to do to accomplish your goals and get to where you want to be. So it allows you more strictness to follow through and be accountable for yourself. But in regards to the routine, I say if you have a successful routine already that is working for you and it is proven worked for you, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So as you saw in the Excel, I use a lot of color coding systems and methods, which I also use for my...
It was at this moment that he knew.
Physical handheld planner, but also virtually as well. So I do use a color system which helps me plan and know what's coming next. But it's also good to constantly look at your calendar or your schedule and keep reviewing it. That way you know what you need to change, what adjustments you need to make, and whether everything is going smoothly or not. Another one of these really easy tips, but it's hard for some people, is time management. It's a big thing. That's why I created that schedule, which keeps me in a relatively time management state of mind, which I'm like, okay, I gave myself a lot of time for this. I have this, a lot of time for this. So this is what I have to work with, which helps me stay on track, which means less distractions. It allows me to be flexible in a way because while I do have a strict schedule like I showed you, I am pretty flexible with that, where if I set an hour extra or a few minutes extra for this, I'm being flexible where I know I have time if something else comes up or something like that. Hopefully you know what I mean. Also, never stop planning either for the future or for your life or for whatever your next big move is or for next week or the next day. Just never stop planning. Always continue to do it because it will help you stay in that productive stage and mindset. Personally, I feel for me, that's what helps me out. So never stop planning. And overall, what I hope you take from this is you should have a daily calendar, a weekly schedule, and a monthly schedule to just keep you on track with all of your things so you can make sure that you are planning everything out and you don't miss anything, and that you are being as productive as possible and reaching your full potential every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year that you have to reach your goals and be the best you. That is the end of my video. I hope you will go out and start planning your life right away, and hopefully it is a great life that you are planning. Like I say in all my videos, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button and make sure that you get a notification every time I upload and post. And without further ado, peace.